Imagine meeting someone from another country. You both want to talk, maybe share ideas, ask questions, or even discuss business. But there is one big problem. You don't understand each other's language. Normally, that's where the conversation would stop. But what if technology could remove that barrier completely? Hey everyone, welcome back to Rafi Gadget Review. Today, we're taking a look at a very interesting piece of technology that's designed to make global communication easier than ever. This is the Timekettle W4 Pro AI Interpreter Earbuds, a smart pair of earbuds built to translate conversations in real time. Unlike regular earbuds that are mainly designed for music or calls, the W4 Pro is built as a communication tool. It's designed to help people talk across different languages during travel, international meetings, business calls, and everyday conversations. Before we jump into the real features, let's quickly take a look at what comes inside the box. Inside the package, you'll find the Timekettle W4 Pro AI Interpreter Earbuds, the charging case, a Type-C charging cable, and the user manual. The packaging feels clean and professional, and the earbuds themselves have a unique open-ear design. Instead of sitting deep inside your ear like traditional earbuds, these rest more comfortably on the ear, which makes them easier to wear for longer conversations or meetings. The build feels lightweight and practical, especially considering that this device is designed for communication rather than just entertainment. But the real magic of this device is not in the hardware, it's in what it can actually do in real-life situations. So let's imagine the first scenario. For example, I'm speaking English and the other person is speaking Spanish. Normally, that kind of situation would make communication extremely difficult, but with the Timekettle W4 Pro, both of us can wear the earbuds and start talking naturally. After connecting to the earbuds to the Timekettle app through Bluetooth, I simply chose my language as English and the other person's language as Spanish. Once everything is set up, the conversations can begin. When I speak in English, the earbuds capture my voice through their microphone and send it to the app. Within a moment, the system translates my speech and delivers it in Spanish to the other person. Then when they respond in Spanish, the system translates their speech back into English for me.
Hey brother, how you doing?
हाँ मैं तो अच्छा हूँ आपका क्या हाल चाल है
Fine for me as well. How's your work life going?
The impressive part is how natural the conversation feels. Instead of stopping to type translation into a phone, both people can simply talk and listen normally. The system supports up to 43 languages and 96 accents, which means it can handle conversations between people from many different regions around the world. And because the earbuds use multiple microphones to capture voice clearly, the translation even works when both people are standing closer to each other. Now let's move into the real-world situation, traveling abroad. Imagine you're visiting another country and trying to ask for directions, order food, or talk in a local shop owner. Language barriers can easily make these simple tasks stressful, but with W4 Pro, you can simply start a conversation and let the earbuds handle the translation. What's even more reassuring is that even in areas with poor internet signal, the device still supports 31 offline language pairs. That means you can continue communication even when your connection isn't perfect, which can be extremely helpful while traveling internationally. But travel isn't the only place where this device becomes useful. Let's talk about another powerful scenario: international phone calls. Imagine you receive a call from someone in another country who doesn't speak your language. Normally, that would make communication very difficult. With the W4 Pro, call translation makes that situation much easier. When the feature is activated, the system translates the conversation in real time. When the caller speaks, the app converts their speech and shows translated subtitles on the phone, while also sending the translated voice to your earbuds. When you respond, the speech is translated back to their language for them to hear. This allows both people to continue the conversation naturally, while the system handles the translation in the background. Now let's talk about another feature that makes W4 Pro especially useful for professionals: AI Memos. The system can record conversations and automatically generate summaries using AI. That means that after a discussion or meeting, the app can extract important points and create organized notes. In business environment, this becomes incredibly useful for meeting minutes extraction, helping teams quickly review key decisions, action points, and important discussions without manually writing everything down. This is why the W4 Pro isn't just a travel gadget, it's also a powerful productivity tool for workplace collaboration, international teams, and cross-border communication. After spending some time with the device, what really stands out is the idea behind it. Instead of simply being another pair of earbuds, the W4 Pro focuses on solving a real global problem: language barriers. Whether you're traveling abroad, studying internationally, working with overseas clients, or managing global meetings, a device like this can make communication much easier and more efficient. Of course, like any translation technology, performance can depend on factors like pronunciations, environment, and network conditions, but overall, the concept of having a portable AI interpreter with you is genuinely impressive. So that's a look at the Timekettle W4 Pro AI interpreter. From travel conversations to international phone calls and even business meetings, this device shows how AI technology can bring people closer together. Let me know in the comments what you think about AI translation earbuds. Would you use something like this while traveling or during international meetings? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Rafi Gadget Review for more tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.